Jay-Z.
Oh, no,
He said they call me Gen Z again.
Because I'm not calling you out, boy. Okay. If you happen to do that, let me see you now.
When they do like the one or two things, don't they hide me?
This they do it.
Do one or two things.
I mean, because of that bet we con.
Betty again. Now, even though saying that because of Betty, yeah, they do now.
So because of betting, I know they buy my shawarma again, my burger. How they say they buy for me again? What's it called me? Even to enter my room, not a problem.
not be juju be that.
Waiting now. You see, I beg, no near that matter. I beg, just I get something to do. If you get something reasonable, maybe talk am. I did on purpose. I want to do it.
Now me, they follow all that kind of stupid stuff. Your head, they talk to the worry for her because they follow you like feed the Chris.
Now, then if you want fight me, don't just fight me. Why are you talking like say you're picking me? Calm down now.
So because of that small crocodile enter compound, now you they forget me, they take you like my brother. And they show you love.
Then if I did your brother, no more. It's normal thing now. Why you go to vex because say I get girlfriend now?
I don't understand. Better than your girlfriend.
Just imagine say I get girlfriend. If I did your brother, it's normal now. You just take your time.
Gen Z. I tell me take your time. My name is Shanka. I go die you. My name is Shanka baby. What if this one that they spend my name for this company now?
Now so my tongue.
My name is Shanka baby. Don't be say cause I call you, they see me less. Shanka.
I beg talk your talk, make I dey go. So now what's up? Anything? Why I should just be
You
go?
don't chop poison before.
Poison as in no dey talk. See, anything we go do for this company, no near my life.
Yeah, this one I like. This one you don't chop this. I bet shit.
You no get even something serious to talk. I beg.
Gen Z. So because of Betty, that cockroach you just enter compound, they ignore me. Even to enter my room now, a problem I be. Don't erase shoulder.
See, now Oga Joe size you dey like this. Me, I don't find my own size. Then it's okay now.
I don't blame you. And because I stop making the wrong mouth like parrot. Nonsense. Anyway, that concern you. See as it be. Gen Z. As you like they talk anyhow. You don't chop poison before.
Anything we dey do for this compound, no near my life. No near my life.
Which life? This one I like. You will soon go crazy.
No.
Hey, you won't end your career. Cause that you and that nonsense. I bet shit. Because they follow you laugh. See as it be like God forbid. Get out! How is this one do? Like, see me, Shanka babe. Hot girl like me. You never thank God.